Imagine waking up tomorrow and discovering that humanity has finally received a message from somewhere beyond Earth. A message that did not come from another country, not from another human being, but from another world. For thousands of years, humans have looked toward the endless darkness of space and asked one of the biggest questions in history. Are we truly alone in this universe? The night sky has always been full of mysteries. Millions of stars shine above us. Thousands of planets exist beyond our solar system. And among those countless worlds, there could be civilizations far older and more advanced than our own. But what would happen if tomorrow scientists detected something impossible? A strange signal traveling through space. A signal with a pattern. A signal that appears to have been created by intelligent life. First, nobody would believe it. Scientists would repeat the experiments again and again. They would check every satellite. They would analyze every possible source. Because discovering alien life would be the greatest scientific event in human history. But then, the evidence would become impossible to ignore. The signal is real. And someone somewhere in the universe is trying to communicate. Within hours, the entire world would know. News channels would broadcast the discovery. Social media would explode with millions of theories. Some people would celebrate. Others would become afraid. Because for the first time, humanity would have proof that Earth is not the only place where intelligent life exists. Governments around the world would immediately begin emergency discussions. Scientists, engineers, and experts from different countries would work together. The biggest question would be, what does the message mean? Is it a simple greeting? A warning? Or a message containing knowledge that could change our entire civilization? Using advanced artificial intelligence, scientists would begin decoding the mysterious signal. Every sound, every pattern, every small detail would be carefully analyzed. And then something incredible might happen. The message could reveal that the civilization behind it is thousands or even millions of years ahead of humanity. Imagine a species that discovered technologies we cannot even dream of. Maybe they have mastered unlimited energy. Maybe they have found ways to travel between stars. Maybe they understand the secrets of the universe that humans are still trying to uncover. Their knowledge could completely transform our world. But there would also be a terrifying question. Should we respond? Because sending a message back would reveal our location. It would tell an unknown civilization that Earth exists. Some scientists would argue that communication could bring a new era of peace and knowledge. Others would warn that we do not know who is listening. Throughout history, humans have always faced this choice. Fear the unknown, or explore it. When humans first crossed oceans, they did not know what they would discover. When humans traveled to the moon, they entered a world they had never touched before. And now, the next great journey could be beyond our own solar system. If we successfully communicated with an alien civilization, it could change everything. Our understanding of life would completely change. Our place in the universe would look different. We would no longer see Earth as the center of everything. Instead, we would understand that our planet is one small world inside a massive cosmic ocean. Perhaps aliens would not look anything like humans imagine. They may not even have bodies like ours. Their intelligence could exist in forms we cannot understand. Maybe they communicate through technology. Maybe through signals. Maybe through methods that are completely unknown to us. But one thing would become certain. Life is not limited to Earth. A discovery like this would inspire humanity like never before. Children would look at the stars and dream about becoming space explorers. Scientists would push the limits of technology. New generations would search for answers among the galaxies. The discovery of an alien signal would not only change science, it would change our entire view of existence. Because the biggest discovery would not simply be finding aliens. The biggest discovery would be realizing that humanity is part of something much larger. A universe filled with billions of galaxies, trillions of planets, and endless possibilities. Maybe somewhere far away, another civilization is looking at the same stars. Maybe they are asking the same question. Are we alone? And maybe tomorrow, for the first time in human history, we would finally receive an answer.